All right, today I just want to go through how to add a Integrity Get Sheds webpage onto your website. We're going to share my screen right now. We're going to do this for Integrity New Homes Orange. Gary has just set up his account, sent me all the details. It's good to go. Now, on my right here, you have access to this information. And it's got a step-by-step follow through of what you need to do. First thing that we need to do, we're in the back end of our website. We are going to open a new task here. You have a link. I want you to save this image, save it to desktop. It is our banner that we will use later. Get it out of that and back to your page. We're going to scroll down. Step 2, click new page. Our page name is for number 3. We have sheds. We're going to put a heading sheds. We're going to have the menu text to sheds. The meta title we can take over here. Again, you can put whatever you like, but this is our standard. The meta title and the meta description. We have a canonical, I don't know how to say that. Essentially, we want to say that all our shared information comes from this page. That way Google doesn't hurt us. Number 4, tick all the boxes. Ticking, ticking. Number 5, parent page. We are going to put it as designs. We're going to click this advanced settings here and go to layout 2024, which is here. Menu type, transparent with gradient. We're going to go header type, hero image with gradient. And for the title style, we're going to go none. Once you get back down to this, I want you to hit save. That gets us on the deal and takes us back to the admin page. Now we are going to go back to our sheds page, which is here. And this is going to give us some more options. We can edit our hero image, which we're going to do. We are at step 9. This has multiple steps. Browse, and we're going to go desktop, and we're going to find the image of our shed right there. Upload. We don't want to crop. Hit admin. It's going to take us back to the page. We're going to go down to our sheds. And we're going to edit our hero image. We're going to edit hero image, click the blue edit button right here. Bang. Now, we have some text to add in this code right here. Copy that. Copy and paste. Fantastic. Now, if you want to change the information in your header to something different, Integrity Get Sheds, you would go, your header 1 is here, and the paragraph information is here. We're going to save that. Once we get here, go back to admin and go back to our sheds page. Fantastic. We're going to scroll down and we're going to click this button here. I've got it right there. We're going to click it. This is going to be the code. Now, before we put any code in, we want to go through. This is our big fat piece of code right here. And we're going to copy all of this and post it into here. But first, we need to put in some information. We're going to put in the link that we want our button to go to for people to use the 3D builder. And at the moment, it is Integrity New Homes -Orange. That's our current domain name. That's changed. We're going to scroll down. There is 2 right here. It says insert location of franchise here. For us, it is orange. Now, once we do those 2 things, edit the code below, sweet, add the below information, code into the box. We're going to go all the way down to the last section, copy and paste and hit update. You will see now we have a beautiful website, and it's easy for you to change the information by clicking on it and changing it in here instead of going back to the code box and having to deal with all this. Once we're done, we hit save. Now, this brings us back to the admin page. If we go to designs, our shed page is going to click here and we're going to see our beautiful new page. Click for the shed designs and for the contact form. And that is how it is done. Please let me know if you have any questions.